it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up.
Pinilahan ang US premiere ng 4K restored Bona sa New York Film Festival. Napuno ang sinehan ng mga manonood, hindi lamang ng ating mga kababayang Pinoy, kundi pati mga puti na nais masaksihan ang restored classic film ng superstar at national artist na si Nora Aunor.
Had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
Maraming salamat sa mga larawan at videos ng ating mga kanorang nanood doon na ipinadala ni Kuya Hill Bruce. Naroon din ang iba pang Noranians na taga-Amerika na sina Rafi Manzano, Marlon Reyes, Jojo De Vera at iba pa. Heto at tunghayan natin ang tagumpay ng 4K restored Bona sa New York Film Festival.
Giving us the means to see all these great films. And then just maybe before I really dive into the film we're about to see today, we are kind of very lucky because I'm told we have one of Lino Broca's collaborators here in the audience, Liao Zabit, who was a production designer on many of Anyway, we're very happy that you're here and that we have someone that has Lino Broca in the audience. Thank you for coming. You're going to see a film tonight that is really incredible. The first thing I want to mention is whenever we screen a restoration, I'm sure if you've seen a restoration before, the opening title cards tell you how the film was restored. And it's super easy to gloss over those titles as you're waiting for the movie to start. But this story of this film and how it came to be restored and why we're able to sit here in the beautiful Walter Reed Theater and see it is a really incredible one. So take some time and actually read what those cards say, because we're very, very lucky that we can see this film. Thanks to Connie Releasing, who is distributing it and bringing it to us today. They worked with Ferrata Films, which is a French group, in 2023, and they acquired the rights from the woman who we're about to spend a wonderful 88 minutes with, national artist of the Philippines, Nora Aunor. And I think that's kind of the perfect way to start talking about this film, actually. The opening shots are some of the most beautiful, intense things I've ever seen in a film. It's all these male heads, and they're all in some space, and it's very claustrophobic, and it's very crowded, and you're just seeing all of these men grabbing for a rope, and you don't know exactly what they're doing, and you just are in this very masculine atmosphere. And eventually, it goes on for a pretty long time, or it feels like a pretty long time. And eventually, there's this incredible shot, and you see Nora Aunor, and she's dressed very plainly. And at the time, she was a really big star. And if you didn't know who she was, you wouldn't even notice her.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.